Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset or wipe your iPhone before selling. This is something you want to do to remove all of your data, and this is going to bring it back to factory setting. So let's get started. Now, before you do this, I do highly recommend that if you haven't moved your data over, transferred to a new iPhone, you should do that or back it up by going to your setting, Apple ID, and then look for your iCloud backup and do a quick iCloud backup if you haven't done so. That way your information is backed up, because once you do a factory reset on the device, everything on the phone will be gone unless you have already transferred it over or saved it to your iCloud. Now, from your settings, you're going to start by going into General and then scroll down a little bit further to transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on the option that says erase all content and setting. Then that is known as a factory reset, or basically factory wiping your phone. It'll remove all the apps you ever downloaded. You'll remove your Apple account and also remove your Find My lock as well. Then you hit continue, and then you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password if you're signed in. And after that, you click on erase and it will begin the process. The process will take somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure during the process your phone is charging or has enough charge, at least 50% or more, to successfully go through the process. You'll get to the hello menu, and that means it has been successfully reset or factory reset. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.